welcome to another episode of Wicked Easy Cooking. My name is Chef Colin Roach, and today we're going to be making wicked easy cold mango and coconut soup. Yum, yum, yum. I got the recipe here. I'll include it in the comments section, also at the end of this video. Now, cold soups sometimes get a bad name. Soups are wonderful. They're one of my favorite foods. But in the summertime, who wants something hot? It's hot outside. Or here in Florida, it's hot all the time. So cold soups fill the bill. Also, what better way to take advantage of nature's bounty when it's plentiful? So I'm going to make a mango soup because mangoes are in season. As you can see, I picked these right from my tree, and so I had a lot of extra ones. So instead of just eating it and making smoothies like in my last video, today we're going to make a cold soup out of it. So it's really simple. It's 2 cups of chopped mangoes. If you don't have fresh, use frozen. You can get those bags of mangoes at your grocery store frozen already in cubes and use that. We're going to use a ½ cup of orange juice. About a tablespoon of lime juice, fresh lime here. Might even put in some zest. We're going to use about a cup of coconut milk. All right, I'm going to add a little brown sugar, tablespoon, just to give it a little bit of sweetness in there, kind of balance it out. And then we're going to put in some grated ginger, fresh ginger. Don't use the dried, make it taste nasty. All right, if you don't want to put the ginger in, you don't have to, but it's real simple to add, and it does give it a different nuance in the flavors there. And then I'm going to tell you some garnishing options that we can do afterwards, maybe if you're going to present this to your family or at a dinner party. All right, so let's get going. Okay, so as it says, we got 2 cups of chopped mangoes here. Again, this is right off my tree. Very delicious. ½ cup of orange juice, 1 cup of coconut milk, and I've got my tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add in this tablespoon of fresh lime juice. I already cut this one. Maybe we'll add a little bit of zest too. Give it some of that essential oils in there. A little bit won't hurt. And then I want to use some fresh ginger here, about a teaspoon. So I'll put that on my microplane here. It smells so good. Smells like ginger ale. Put that in here, scrape that in. Perfect. I think we are ready to go. Okay, so now we just got to add our base on here and then drop it into our blender. Now you can use a blender. You could use a food processor, you could use an immersion blender, whatever you happen to have. I just happen to have this little NutriBullet, which makes it pretty convenient. It's good for small batches. If I was going to double or triple this, I may want to use something a little bit larger. Okay, pardon the noise. Okay, there we go, 30 seconds to a minute. It is ready to go. So move all this stuff out of the way, and I have a bowl right here. So we can just pour that right into it. And let's see how it looks. You know, give it a taste. Excellent. Look how foamy that is, and frothy. Okay. And then you can serve it just like this. You can serve it in a cup, whatever way you want. But some garnishing options. Obviously, it has coconut milk in it, so maybe some toasted coconut or dried coconut flakes that you have. That would be nice. You just give it a little sprinkle around there as a garnish. And maybe, some chopped herb of some type, mint, whatever you may have. We could even use some of that opal basil or, parsley. But I think the green helps bring out some of that color. Of the orange, of the yellow, of this oranges and the mangoes. And then I have, some sliced strawberries. I think red would really be nice. So we place that on there. Again, taking advantage of what's available in your stores, what's fresh right now. Okay, so let's see if you can see that. And that's it. Quick, easy, using fresh, nutritious fruits that are available in your area, in your season. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.